So we've been really excited this year at ASMS to be introducing the Xevo TQ Absolute XR. This is a really groundbreaking update to the Xevo TQ Absolute that we launched in 2022. And that's been enabled through the introduction of a novel resolving ion guide, the Stepwave XR ion guide. So how this actually works is it effectively eliminates neutrals in the first stage of the ion guide, and then as the ions progress down a shallow gradient into the main body of the ion guide, we then have a slotted section which allows for high mass ions to be eliminated from the ion path. And this is really important as it's this contamination of high mass ions which causes charging of the quadrupoles, and this is when customers may start to see quantification inaccuracy, reduction in overall performance. The downstream effect of that is that they need a service engineer to come in and clean the quadrupoles. It's not a user serviceable part. What we want to do is remove that uncertainty for our customers and ensure that they have maximum uptime with maximum sensitivity, which is the really important part. High sensitivity instruments get more in the front end, so it's been an age-old problem that you can't often maintain that high level of performance without service intervention. So we're super excited by this. What we wanted to do is prove it in a real-world customer environment. So we've actually put this out to work, both in our internal laboratories and with a couple of key customers for testing of pesticides in food, for testing of PFAS in a variety of different matrices, and in pharmaceutical bioanalysis, so quantification of drugs and their metabolites. We have been absolutely blown away with the results that we've achieved and our customers have received so far. In fact, we've come to the conference with a set of results where we are showing 20,000 injections for bioanalysis, around 10,000 injections for PFAS analysis, and almost 20,000 injections for pesticide analysis. And these experiments have all been conducted in the same way a customer would. No major acceleration, no solvent standards, they're true customer samples. These studies continue, so ASMS, the data that we're presenting here, is not the end of the journey. We can't wait to keep bringing updates to our customers as to where we get to with the TQ Absolute XR, and we're intrigued to know how many samples our customers are going to analyse with this new innovation. To better enable our customers in the realm of PFAS testing on tandem quadrupole instrumentation, we've also got another couple of important updates. So within the Waters Connect for Quantitation software offering, we have introduced averaging of internal standards, relative standard error for calibration measurements, and also flexible limits and flagging. All of these are in lockstep with regulatory requirements, so we're trying to make our customers' lives easier in delivering the results that they need to be compliant.